What do you got?
What's up, YouTube? Sammy Ray Church here with 8th Air Garage. We're back with our twin engine custom built mini bike. We've got two brand new Predator 212s that we have attached with the clutches. We've got a centrifugal clutch in the front, torque converter in the back, running a typical mini bike tire. We got a nice cafe racer seat. We upgraded our exhaust to handmade exhaust. We painted the frame, tried to get it as finished as possible, and she's ready to rip. So we've been having fun on it, and today we're going to try and do some top speed pulls and do some time pulls and see how fast we can go, and possibly the 330 or close to it. We got a custom tank that I made by cutting a Honda Magnet tank in half long ways, and I cut the end and bent it over. Added a complete flat bottom to the tank and added mounts for the frame, so it's mounted solid to the frame. And in the future we want to make some fenders for it and possibly a headlight, but right now she's ready to race.
Nice time. All right. Guess he just said he did 54 miles per hour. You better watch out.
Not holding it on now.